guys, to start off today's video, we are going to take my car over to a shop to fix the idle issue. And yeah, I'll see you there. Alright guys, so we're just dropping off the car and we're gonna be home in 3, 2, 1.
What's up guys, we're on the hike. Don't know if you can hear me that well, but yeah, so like I said, we didn't go back home, we decided to go on a hike. Look how beautiful it is up here. Waterfall. Woo! This is a new little thing I got from my car. My car is in the shop right now, just got back from that hike. This is something new I got. So the owner of the car that I bought it from apparently bought these but forgot to give it to me, so we went back and we got these. They are not brand new, but they're still in very good condition. They're black leather seats and I have tan cloth seats, so let me know if I should install these or keep the tan ones, if you guys have seen those in the video. You guys like these or the tan ones? I don't know. I'm still debating on it. Because most of my car is tan interior, so I'm like still debating if black would even look good. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think about that. And hope you guys have a good day, and we're out. I got that California.